Hey dudes, it's Demi, and this is an amazing day. My friend Marc got to stay at a theme park view at the Contemporary with the new rooms, and he was so nice that he let me come up to see the room. This is amazing. I can't wait to show you the new renovation of the rooms. Plus, I never thought I would ever be standing on a balcony with theme park view. I'm gonna show you it all. This is too much for me to handle. I'm so excited. The rooms are absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna show you everything the room has to offer, and let's just go see it. Let's go get into some hijinks. Here's the hallway by the elevators. This really nice carpet, and there's like artwork throughout the entire hotel of The Incredibles, but look at this one. It's The Incredibles like checking into the Contemporary. How cool is that? So we are on the 11th floor in the main building of the Contemporary, and I mean, that is awesome. So dope, right by the monorail. But let's go knock on the door and see Marc in the room.
Welcome to my crib.
It's MTV Cribs, Disney edition. Marc, oh my God. Okay, so you can see Marc already slept here last night, but oh my gosh. All right, let's get into the details of the room. Let's head back toward the front of the room. When you first walk in, you have these big red closets. So the reason for it being red, The Incredibles have taken over the Contemporary, and oh my gosh, this is a huge closet, and you have, that is awesome. The lining of the closet is The Incredibles. You have all like Mr. Incredible, Elastigirl, Violet, Dash, and Jack. You have these drawers in here, 3 decent sized drawers. You have a luggage rack, hangers. You have extra pillows and blankets. What? Oh, we got a handheld steamer. And oh my gosh, this is huge. This is the biggest closet I've ever seen in an entryway. So this is a standard theme park view room. We have another closet. We have a full length mirror here. We have a shelf. We have another shelf with the hairdryer, nice full-size hairdryer. We have our safe, more storage, more drawers. And then next to that is the little coffee area. And I just love the look of all the Incredible stuff. It's great. This is the ice bucket. We have a Keurig. And here it is, our Joffrey's in-room coffee and all the fixins. And then underneath is the mini fridge. The bathroom is this big, awesome sliding door, saves a lot of space, but look how big this bathroom is. It is huge. Look at that shower. That is awesome. So when you first walk into the bathroom, you have this great mirror, and it's the monorail going into the Contemporary, which that fits. As I said, Marc stayed here last night, so there was an H2O hand soap in here, but it's a double sink. We have tissues. We have a magnifying mirror with a light on it. Underneath, we have some extra towels and a bin. We have towel racks here. This shower is just amazing. I've never seen a shower in a hotel so big. We have 2 shower heads. We have the H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash out of the pumps. I mean, wow. Oh, look, and that's the handle for the shower. This is so great. And we have up here is the clothesline that pulls out. I'm just so impressed by the shower. Granted, I didn't see it before the renovations because I never thought I would ever see a room in the Contemporary, but this looks absolutely beautiful. I love that the toilet is separate, and we have this great artwork of Jack. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And then here is just the toilet, extra toilet paper, and garbage, extra towels, and a sliding. Ooh, I did not expect that. Double sliding door, that's interesting. Bam. Or not. Bam. You can get an adjoining room. That's great. We have this end table, and we have some like extra seating or ottoman storage there. That's great. We have this big red couch with a table. Above it is the big TV. In the corner is this great lamp, another table behind, and the garbage. I mean, it's just huge and just such a great little space there. I absolutely love the new beds. I love that it's kind of like how Pop Century has the bed sticking up like this, like so you have luggage storage underneath. I love that this is floor, but then by the bed it's this really great carpet. It just works so well with the theming. I love the little Incredibles pillow. I mean, it's just, oh, it's so cute in here. We have like a little floating shelf by the nightstand, and these, ooh, that's interesting. So you just pull it up and then the lights go on. That's very cool. Here's the nightstand. Here's the, oh, look, it's the monorail. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I didn't even notice that at first. Let's put some lights on. Oh, very bright now. Very bright in here. Those lights go on. I didn't even notice those lights were here. That is beautiful. We have the telephone. And we have a drawer. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. Here are the blackout curtains. You have images of Mr. Incredible and Dash, Elastigirl. I guess it's supposed to be, oh no, that's Jack up there. I don't see Violet. And then the regular curtain, I'll get a closer view so you can see the details because it's sheer, but we have images of Mr. Incredible, Jack, Elastigirl, all of them. Is really nice. And then my dudes, this theme park view is unreal. I never in my life thought I would ever be in a room like this to see this kind of view, this theme park view room. Thanks, Marc, for for letting me come up here again. Like, this is just unbelievable. I mean, you got the most perfect view. Marc watched Disney Enchantment. Last night was 50th anniversary. I'm filming this day after he watched the first public performance of Disney Enchantment from here, which was the right move for sure. And oh my gosh, it's just so amazing. And you can see the Grand Floridian and the Poly. Oh my gosh, you can even see the boat. I mean, this is just, oh, this is just so amazing. I can't get over it. I literally could cry. The balcony itself is just 2 chairs and a little table. But like, you could just sit out here forever. I mean, I could. Let me know if you could. And now it's time for my favorite segment of my room tours, the outlet sitch. We're gonna go around the room, count up all the outlets, especially since this is a renovation. They better have given us a lot of outlets. Let's count them up. So far we have 2 by the bed and 2 USBs. At the center nightstand, 2 more and 2 USBs. And the other side again, 2 more and 2 USBs. On the wall we have 2 regular outlets. Behind the couch we have 2 more and 2 USBs. We have 4 by the ottoman, 1 extra by the Keurig, and 2 in the bathroom. There are a total of 17 regular outlets and 8 USBs. That is great. I'm so happy that these rooms got this improvement. I absolutely love it. And I think that's definitely a good amount of outlets, so I'm going to give it the Hijinx outlet seal of approval. Marc.
Yes.
This is amazing.
It definitely is.
Amazing.
It was well worth the cost.
Well worth the high cost.
Yep.
But you know what? Unbelievable. Thank you for letting me come up here to experience this place.
You're welcome.
What do you think of the new rooms, and how was your stay? How was your sleep?
So this was my first time staying here, so I've never actually experienced the rooms before. Mm-hmm. When they were doing the refurb for Incredibles, I thought they were going to do like a full-fledged Incredible room. Almost like a value resort look to it. Yes. This is actually a deluxe view of what Incredibles is supposed to be. So it's not overly done. It's
subtle.
Yeah.
It's not in your face. Like, you wouldn't even notice it if you didn't know who the Incredibles are.
Yep.
I totally agree. How was the bed?
The bed was comfortable. I've felt comfortable beds at other resorts, but it's not as bad as I was expecting, but it wasn't as good as I was expecting. So it was a middle
of the ground bed.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's good to know.
Yep. I got some decent sleep, so I'm not complaining.
Not complaining. And how was the fireworks view from here?
It was awesome. I didn't have to deal with the crowds with the 50th, so I was like, I'm just gonna stay here. I was watching Twitter yesterday. I was like, no, this feels like
it was pretty rough.
Yeah.
And then were you able to hear the music?
My TV was going in and out, but there was actually people below me and above me that were playing music, so I could hear it from there too.
Oh, okay. So
there's actually a channel where you can watch, or not watch, but listen to the music. So
that's awesome to know. So definitely a great place to come and watch the fireworks for Magic Kingdom.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Mark. I love this. I hope you had a great stay. This is so cool. Well, my dudes, that was the room here. This is standard theme park view room at the main hotel of the Contemporary Resort. It's unbelievable. Again, thank you, Marc, for letting me come up here. Let me know what your thoughts of this new renovation is. Let me know if you would stay in this room, or if you would maybe pick a different deluxe resort, or maybe if you like the old look of the room better. Just let me know all of it in the comments below. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your bell notification so you don't miss anything that comes on this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx, and until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get into some hijinks very, very soon. Bye-bye.